The gang rape incident of a 14-year-old in Assam's Nagaon on 22nd of August that has put the state's law and order under scrutiny. Speaking at the Assembly on the adjournment motions brought in by the opposition parties, the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma made a sensational claim. He said that Mia Muslims are trying to take over the state and he will not allow that to happen. This has now created a political storm with the India bloc opposition parties targeting the Chief Minister, Modi Sarkar, and also when it comes to the constituents of the NDA. The Assam Chief Minister's sensational charge during a discussion on law and order situation in the state in the backdrop of rising crimes against women. Responding to the opposition, Himanta said that Mia Muslims are trying to take over Assam and he will not allow that to materialize. This has triggered a political drama on the floor of the House.
আপোনালোকে মিয়া মুছলমান মানুহখিনিয়ে গোটেই অসম ল'বই আমিও ল'ব নিদিও হৈ গ'ল আমিও ল'ব নিদিও আপোনালোকে আজি হাউচত ক'লে যে আমি ল'মে আৰু মই কৈছো আপোনালোকক আমি ল'ব নিদিও বাস
Let's, in the meantime, get in a word from Pragya. Pragya, which has caused a lot of political drama, not just on the floor of the House, but opposition parties are also taking on Himanta Biswa Sarma, saying that statements are violating the Constitution.
Well, opposition is in fact saying that this is a divisive politics and this should not have happened. This is against Constitution. But there is a logic that BJP leaders are giving for Himanta Biswa Sarma's statement. And if you hear them, they say that there is a context to it. The context is that Assam has been inundated by illegal Bangladeshi immigrants at the cost of indigenous people of Assam. And what he is doing right now, saying that you can't settle in the areas where indigenous ethnics are settled in, is that he is performing his constitutional duty. And these illegal immigrants have come during Congress regime, and the opposition of Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma's statement right now is being seen as opposition standing with these illegal immigrants rather than with the people who are indigenous to Assam. This is the reason that BJP leaders are giving while supporting Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. Himanta Biswa Sarma, who is also Chief Minister of Assam, has in fact, while saying that and stating that in many policies, he has said that we had seen what the illegal immigrant population had done to Assam and how they have encroached upon land, how they changed the demography. They have given, in fact, report after report saying that this has been a trend over the years, over many years, and this is the time to change it and to reverse it, to give space to indigenous Assamese. And this is the context that BJP leaders are also giving while supporting Mr. Biswa Sarma.
All right, but as far as the opposition leaders are concerned, the statement made by Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister, that has now drawn the ire of the opposition, calling the statement as unconstitutional. The opposition netas are linking it to the RSS ecosystem and Himanta Biswa Sarma's attempt to impress the organization.
Chief Minister is a newcomer in the BJP. I think he's still seeking legitimacy in the BJP and the RSS ecosystem. He still wants them to take him seriously, and therefore he's proving his credentials more than even Mohan Bhagwat. I don't think he needs to do that. He needs to follow the Constitution of India, the oath of which he has taken. Therefore, during the Lok Sabha election, I had sent him a copy of the Constitution of India. He acknowledged it, but I don't think he's ready.
It's against the Constitution, the oath on which he has taken. The oath on which he has taken is that we all know that RSS is against the Constitution, and he is a RSS person who is always against the Constitution. He has taken oath on the name that there will be no differences you will see in anybody. But the way he's speaking in assembly is a condemnable thing. Assam is a state which is a peace-loving and a brotherhood state, where every religion, every belief, every caste community is given equal opportunities. Everybody is respected. We hope that people of Assam will punish him in 2026 for this hate campaign he is leading.
देखिए, असम का मुख्यमंत्री हेमंता बिस्वा, जिन्हें आदरणीय गृह मंत्री जेल भेजना चाहते थे, उसका केस अभी भी कोर्ट में चल रहा है, सब जुडिस से। फैसला भी कभी भी आ सकता है। तो वो एक होड़ चली है कि योगी आदित्यनाथ हिंदुत्व के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होंगे कि हेमंत बिस्वा होगा। ये दोनों होड़ चल रही है। लेकिन जो हेमंत बिस्वा बोल रहा है वो प्रधानमंत्री की, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की आवाज है।
इसी तरह उन्होंने, हमने बोला था कि असम के लॉयर असम के लोग अपर असम जाएंगे, अपर असम के लॉयर असम आएंगे, आ सकते हैं, ये उनका राइट है। लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री बोले हैं कि कैसे जाएंगे, हम नहीं जाने देंगे। तो इस तरह की बातें मुख्यमंत्री की जुबान से शोभा नहीं देता। हमने सदन में इसके लिए हंगामा किया है, स्पीकर साहब ने अभी सदन को एडजर्न किया है, दोबारा शुरू होगा। हमारा यही मांग रहेगा कि सदन जैसे पवित्र जगह में मुख्यमंत्री संविधान के ओत लेके संविधान के विरोध में बात करेगा, वो कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं है।
Well, this is how the opposition parties have been reacting to the statement made by the Chief Minister of Assam. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.